Come all you gallant Irishmen, wherever that you be, and likewise pay attention and listen unto me. I'll sing about a battle that took place the other day between a Russian sailor and gallant Morrissey. 'Twas in Terra del Fuego in South America. The Russian challenge Morrissey, those wars to end they say. I hear you are a fighting man and wear a belt I see. Indeed, I wish you would consent to have a round with me. And up spoke brave Morrissey with heart both brave and true. I am a valiant Irishman that never was subdued. For I will wail the Yankee, the Saxon bull and bear, in honor of old Paddy's land, the laurel I'll maintain. To fight upon the 10th of March, those heroes did agree, and thousands came from every place this battle for to see. The Yankees and the Russians, their heart was filled with glee. They swore the Russian sailor would kill brave Morrissey. They shook hands and walked around the ring, commencing for to fight. Each filled each Irish heart the air, for to behold the sight. The Russian he flowed Morrissey unto the 11th round. With the Russian Yankee Saxon cheers, the valley did resound. The Irish they laid 4-1 that day upon the grass. No sooner done than taken up, and down they brought the cash. They parried away without delay till the 22nd round, when Morrissey received a blow which brought him to the ground. Up to the 37th round 'twas fall and fall about. It made the Yankee tyrants keep a sharp lookout, when the Russian to his seconds called for a glass of wine. Our Irish hero smiled and said, this battle is surely mine. The 37th decided on, the Russian felt the smart, and Morrissey with a terrible blow struck the Russian on the heart. A doctor he was called upon to open up a vein. He said it was quite useless, he'd never fight again. Our hero conquered Thompson and the Yankee Clipper too. The Buffalo boy and shepherd he nobly did subdue. So drink ye off a flowing glass and hear a salt galore to noble Johnny Morrissey and Paddy evermore.